In this video, I'll show you how to insert Google Slides into Google Docs. If you want to place a Google Slides slide inside a Google Docs document, the easiest method is to copy the slide from Google Slides and paste it into Google Docs. Google's official help says you can open the presentation, select the slide you want, copy it, then open your Google Doc. Click where you want the slide to appear and paste it there. After pasting, Google Docs lets you choose how you want to insert it. To get started, open your presentation in Google Slides and find the slide you want to use. On the left side, click the slide so it is selected. Then go to the top menu and click Edit, then Copy. You can also use the normal keyboard shortcut to copy the slide. After that, open your Google Docs file and click in the exact spot where you want the slide to appear. Then paste it into the document. Google's help page lists this as the standard way to add a slide to a document. When you paste the slide into Google Docs, you may see options for how to insert it. In many cases, Google Docs gives you the choice to link the slide to the original presentation or paste it without linking. If you keep it linked, the slide in your document can be updated later when changes are made to the original Google Slides file. That can be very useful if your presentation is still being edited and you want your document to stay current. If you choose the linked option, Google Docs can show an update button later when the original slide changes. Google's help also says linked objects in Docs can be managed through linked object options, and you can update one item at a time or use tools and then linked objects to update multiple linked items. That makes linked slides especially helpful for reports, proposals, or documents that use presentation visuals that may change over time. If you do not want the slide connected to the original presentation, you can paste it as a regular object instead. Plan, language, and account type. So if AI is missing in your Google Docs, the issue is usually access, rollout, or plan eligibility rather than a problem with the document itself. So that's how to use AI in Google Docs. Open your document, look for Gemini, or Help Me Write, enter a prompt to create or improve text, and then review the result before inserting it into your document. It's a simple way to write faster, clean up drafts, and get ideas without leaving Google Docs. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.